Getting started with BizBaz World is simple. Just click here, and you're ready to explore the new interface. Most people are working hard and still stuck. You don't need more effort. You need a smarter system.
Welcome to BizBaz World, where we use AI to build income.
Ever had that one thing you just can't stop talking about? A passion you wish you could share with, well, everyone? That's what we're tackling today. We're going to walk through exactly how you can turn that passion into a real platform by starting your own blog. Let's do this.
And look, this isn't just going to be some dry technical manual. Think of this as the start of a journey to find your people, to build a real community, and honestly, to open doors to opportunities you probably haven't even thought of yet.
All right, so before we dive into all the tech stuff, the platforms, the plugins, all that, we got to pause. We need to start with the single most important question, why? Why are you even doing this? Because your why, that's the foundation. Everything else gets built right on top of it.
So when it comes to the why, it usually boils down to one of three big things. First, you get to share your voice. Reaching thousands of people with your unique take on things, that's powerful. Second, you can actually build an income stream. We're talking ads, affiliate partnerships, selling your own stuff. And third, you can grow your network like crazy, connecting with people and leaders in your space. So take a second. Which one of those really clicks for you? What's your main driver here?
Okay, so once you've got that why locked in, it's time to get into the how. Every builder needs a good toolkit, right? And for us, that starts with the biggest decision you'll make up front, choosing your blogging platform.
Let's run through the main options out there. First up, WordPress.org. This is the big one. It's for when you want total control, every single detail. It's like building your own house from scratch. Then you've got Medium. This is for people who just want to write, period. No setup, and you get to tap into an audience that's already there. Super simple. Blogger, it's free, it's easy, it's run by Google, perfect if you're just, dipping a toe in the water. And then there's Ghost. It's super fast, really modern, and great for professionals, especially if you're thinking about creating a paid membership thing down the road. See, your goal really helps you pick the right tool.
All right, you've got your platform picked out. Now for the fun part. Let's build your home base on the internet, your very own digital headquarters.
Okay, I know this list might look a little intimidating, but trust me, it's not. We can break it down into 4 simple steps. Step 1, choose your niche. That's just your main topic. Step 2, grab a domain name, your myawesomeblog.com address. Step 3, pick a hosting service. That's just the company that makes sure your site stays online for everyone to see. And finally, step 4, design. Pick a theme that looks clean and is easy for people to read.
So the basic structure is built, now it's time to add the finishing touches. Kind of like putting furniture in your new headquarters. You'll want to install some essential plugins, little apps for things like security and SEO. SEO, by the way, is just what helps people find you on Google. Then you'll create those must-have pages like your About page, a contact page, and a privacy policy. Get your social media profiles set up to match, and then start thinking about your first few posts. This is the stuff that takes it from a blank site to a real, professional platform.
And this right here brings us to a really important shift in how you think about this. Even if you're starting this as a side project, a hobby, a blog that grows is basically a small business. And what do all businesses need? Protection, both on the tech side and the legal side.
So let's get into it. Fortifying your platform, it's not the sexiest part of blogging, I'll admit, but it is so essential if you want this thing to last. And for your own peace of mind, frankly.
When it comes to protection, think of it as 3 main pillars. First, secure hosting. You want to make sure your host gives you that little lock icon in the browser that's called an SSL certificate, and that they do regular backups, just in case. Second, and this is a big one, use strong, unique passwords, and please turn on 2-factor authentication. Third, you got to have those legal pages we talked about. They're non-negotiable.
Look, I know the legal stuff can sound scary, but don't let it freak you out. It's pretty straightforward. The good news is, anything you write is automatically protected by copyright. You just have to be transparent. Use disclaimers if you're using affiliate links or giving advice. You'll need a privacy policy to follow rules like GDPR, especially for European readers. And a terms of use page? That's just you setting the house rules for your visitors. That's it.
Okay, deep breath. Your blog is built, it's secure, all the legal boxes are checked. Now we get to the really fun part. How do we get people to actually read this thing? Because trust me, your audience is out there waiting. Because hitting publish on that first post, that's just the starting line. The real marathon is growing your influence and reaching more and more people. So let's talk strategy. How do we actually make that happen? Yeah, visitors don't just show up by magic. You have to build roads that lead to your blog. The biggest road is SEO, using the right keywords so Google shows you to people, and getting backlinks from other sites, which are like little votes of trust. Of course, you've got to share your stuff on social media. And I can't stress this enough. Build an email list. It's your direct line to your most loyal readers. Oh, and a great trick is to write guest posts for other blogs. It's like a free introduction to a whole new audience.
Okay, so the big question, what on earth do I write about? The fear of the blank page is real, but you never have to run out of ideas. Seriously, a great place to start is just seeing what your competitors are talking about, or go hang out in online forums and groups and just listen. What questions are people asking over and over again? Even better, once you have a few readers, just ask them what they want to know. And hey, there are free tools like Google Trends that'll literally show you what people are searching for right now.
So, we've gone through the why, the how, and the what's next. We've covered the whole roadmap. There's only one thing left to do, and it's the most important piece of the puzzle. It's time to take that first step.
And I really want you to hear this. Every single expert, every successful blogger you look up to, they all started in the exact same spot you're in right now. With an idea, with a blank page. They were beginners once. So please don't let the fear of not being perfect stop you from just starting.
So after all of this, what's the one thing you absolutely need to remember? It's simple. Just start. Forget about launching some perfect, massive blog with 20 articles ready to go. No, just make a commitment to yourself. This week, I will write one post. That's it. That's the whole goal. Because momentum comes from that one small action. Your audience is out there. They're waiting to hear from you.
Follow BizBaz World for daily income strategies. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. And check the link below for free tools and resources.